gosh, come on now. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a nice one. There's a critter right there. What is that? What is that critter? All right, here we are. I think it's October 7th. Pretty sure. It's, what is it, Saturday? It's cold out. We've got big catfish, big bass, and a hot tub fried out on me. So, being a little frustrated, I'm gonna try and get me a big bass or a catfish. I won't discriminate. We got a cold front just come in. It's way colder than we're used to. Let's try some bass fishing. Love to get at least a 3-pounder. Let's see what happens. I got a blue, I don't think it's a Rapala, but it's a kind of a Rapala-like. I've always had good luck with blue in my younger days. So we got the feeder going now. So now that the catfish are eating niblets, maybe they're not that hungry for real food. I don't know. It's all new to us, this pond management with the protein feeder. Ooh, okay, and I probably hit the bottom because this thing dives a little bit more than I'd like. Kitty! Kitty, you gonna join me? Pretty girl. Give me some good luck. Okay, I know I put some rock piles right in this corner right here. Stay there. There we go. Oh, here we go. Come on now. Kitty, you come all the way out here? You little stinker. You gotta stay with me. She don't belong way out here. But she's following me. You stay with me, little girl. And don't be coming out here on your own. Life is precious. And I enjoy your company. All right, one more cast. Prim, you gonna, here. You gonna give me some good luck? So my hot tub was down. I was gonna watch a movie, and I went through all the like options, and there was like war movies and tactical movies and stuff, which, don't get me wrong, I have a lot of experience in war and tactics and law enforcement and stuff. But I just didn't want to see it with what's going on right now. So I thought I'd come out here. Thought I'd come out here instead. Oh, easy, easy. Oh, what? There's a critter right there. What is that? What is that critter? It's walking. What are you? It's a duck. No, wait. I think it's a coot. Oh, we got a mud chicken here on the pond? That's a first. Oh, wow, that's pretty nifty. I'm kind of, maybe not really, but I mean, if the hits the fan, it'll eat as good. I'll trade that for Phil. I'll get him a mud chicken. Say, Phil, here, I'll trade you a prime mallard duck for some prime roast venison. That is weird. Never ever seen a mud chicken. For you non-hunters, it's a coot. And it's kind of a junky critter. That's funny though. I don't know. There's no way it's nesting right now. It's freaking October 7th or 8th. There it is over there. What are you doing, mud chicken? Okay, this don't look good. I see two, I don't know if they're slides, but somebody's coming in and out right here. I sure hope we ain't got otters. That would explain why I don't have one single bite. Working my way all the way around this beautiful pond. I sure hope we ain't got an otter. Oh, look, I got something. Yay! All right, baby, not bad. So this bass right here is a water stain bass. I'm going to show you. So the color, it's a lot lighter because the water is stained with clay. I mean, it's not unhealthy, it ain't fat, but it's a good start. Go get your uncle, or your big daddy, or your big mama, or your whoever. Get somebody bigger. Come on now. All right, so I'm across the pond. This is where we transplanted two big, pretty sure they're maples. Right, we had these two maple trees that we planted on the other side of the pond by the house, but we've since changed our plans, so we're trying to salvage them. Now we're bringing them on this side. Nice sunny spot. They'll be nice and shady in a few years. One survived, one did not. Even this one that survived though, the bucks were really rubbing it. Let's see what's going on over here. Prim, come on, stay close. Come here, girl. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. I mean, she probably don't get out this way very much at all, which is good. All right, come on now. Let's get a big one. Whew. Come on now. Give me something big. I mean, you could start seeing the steam coming off because it's getting so cold right now. This has to be a fish right here. Come on. Come on. somebody went after it right there at shore. Dang it. Okay, come on, let's try it again. Keep an eye on Kitty behind me. Come on, come on. Here we go, come on. Oh my gosh, come on now. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a nice one. Holy balls, that's a nice one. And I'm not messing around. That is a big bass. Woo! Come on. Holy balls. Come on now. Don't lose this one. Look at his eyeballs on that thing. Holy jeez, come on. Oh, come on, don't break them off. Holy come on. Look at the eyeballs on him. Why are his eyeballs? Ow, ow, ow. Oh, oh, oh. Get out of town. Look at his eyeballs, though. That's not good. I think he's hungry, so I don't know if there's a lack of food. Wow, that is a dandy. Come on, let me get my pliers. That's a nice bass. Joe the farmer, I don't know if you got one this big on your farm or not, but I'm going to tell you, this is a big bass. This is a big, I mean, well, minimum 3. Yeah, but see, the thing is with his eyeballs like that, that's unhealthy. I mean, I guess he ain't eating enough, which is kind of perplexing. All right, so after I caught this bass, I got a hold of our pond guy, Jeff, and we've been treating this pond, and he came in and implemented a whole new program. Anyways, I said, hey, this is the worst fish I've ever seen with bulging eyeballs. I said, does that mean we have too many catfish if there's not enough food for the bass? And if you look at the bass, he's, other than the eyeballs, healthy. You know, he's not like overly skinny, although he's not overly fat. Anyways, Jeff said, no, don't worry about the eyeballs. He said it could be a number of things, bacterial infection, a nitrogen imbalance. He said, do you have bluegills? I said, yeah, we got big bluegills. They're coming to the feeder. I said, we got big catfish, a lot of them. He's like, great. He goes, we got everything we need in there. He said, don't worry about the eyeballs unless they're all like that, which they're not. It's a one-off, probably some kind of infection or something. But he did say from now on, measure every fish we catch and throw it back in, or at least the bass. So let's get back to this big bass, which was fun to finally catch a decent one and finish out the evening. Thanks. Hopefully it's on, Mike. That's a nice bass. Let's go let him go. That did not look good with them eyeballs out like that. That did not look good at all. That's a sign of not enough food. So I wonder if we got too many catfish. That's what I'm wondering, if there's too many catfish. Babe, we might have to start frying up catfish.